Good morning, dear students. I know that you are in grade 1. Maybe you didn't see me at all, or maybe you see me on the pathways. I'm teacher Sonia. For a very short period of time, I am telling you English, okay? And I hope you see you all in the classes because you are so small, you are so nice, you are so lovely. Okay, love you, everyone. Please listen to me because we will talk about with a letter and which is so interesting, okay? Are you ready? Good. As you know, from the previous week, your teacher, I don't know which teacher is telling you English, your teacher talked about with the letters. The letters. You know about the letters? Of course you do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do stop. They are the letters, okay? The previous week, you talked about what? A, right? A. You talked about uppercase A and lowercase a, or capital A and small a, right? Good. But today, as I told you, I'm telling you another letter or a new letter, which is the letter B. Let us watch a video together and later we're gonna discuss about it. Good? Please be ready. Please watch it. It is so nice. Good. Make the letter sounds. We can show you how. One letter shall we learn. Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter B. Is the uppercase B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks now. Let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 B. B, 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 B. Yes. B is for ball. B is for baby. Baby. B is for a blue balloon. B is for book. We have book. B is for bird. B is for bus. You know some B words now. Let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 B. Your turn. What? Good. Letter B. Very good. You watched the video, right? Good. Now, all you want to do, or what is matter is, you have to look at me because I'm going to tell you how to write down B, okay? You can do one thing with me, one thing. Write down B in the air, like you're going to write down a straight line. Do you know what a straight line? Straight means this. Very, very straight. This is straight line. Then one ball, two ball. It becomes uppercase or capital B. Good? Very good. You may ask, teacher, how can we write down B on the board, or how can we write it down on our notebook? Okay, I'm telling you. Listen to me. How many lines do we have on our notebooks? We have, look, 4 lines, right? We have 4 lines together on our notebooks. Look, we have 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. But for writing down B, how many lines do we need? 1, 2, 3. Not this one. This one will not be used. It will be omitted. It will be left. Okay? Look, you start from the first line or from the first one. Come. Stop. You stop here, okay? Only 3 lines. Then 1 ball. 2 balls. It becomes the uppercase or capital B. Good? Very good. How about with the lowercase? We have small b too. Capital B and small b. Look, again 3 lines. Straight line. Oh, my line is not straight. We have a straight line and only 1 ball. I want to tell you one thing. Letter B looks like a very fat man with a big head. Shall I draw it? Okay, look. Look, this is B, right? B. This is a man. Look. And he is so big and fat. Look, he had a big head and a big belly. He can't go, he goes like this, okay? So that is the uppercase B. But this time, this man is trying to do some exercise like this. That's why we have the lowercase b. Look. Where is the head? The head does like this. So only the belly is here. Look. Only the belly, because the head do it like this. The head is not like, you can't see the head. You can't see the head like this because he's trying to do some exercise. He is so fat. He has to be thin. He has to be healthy. Good? Very good. That was about with the letter B, okay? Very good. It was about with the letter B. As you know, the letter B sound, as I tell you, B, 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 B. Please don't sleep. Listen to me. I'm talking to you. B, say B. I can't hear. What? What? Come on. Raise your voice. B. Very good. We have B. Now, I'm going to tell you some words which start with B. B. Okay? We have this. Have you ever seen this? Of course you did. How? Because this is your fam school bus. You come to school by the bus like this. Okay? Beep, beep. Come outside. We go to school. This is bus. Okay? Bus. And I have a bus like this. Bus. Bus. My bus is beautiful, right? I want 4 students who listen so carefully. You can come and I'm gonna give you the bus. You can drive it. This is bus, as I told you. We have something. Oh, it is so nice. You are doing like this in that playground with teacher. I think it is teacher Ismail, right? You love teacher Ismail. Please come here. We have football. Ball. We call this black and white thing, and this stuff ball. Ball, okay? Ball. You can do balls like this. You can kick it, okay? These are balls. We have, look at here. Who am I now? I was a girl with a long hair, but now I'm a boy. Boy. We call this boy. Boy, for example, girls like Leah, Gul, and me, Sonia. But what about with boys? Boys like teacher Ismail, teacher Heyman, they are boys. Boys. And they are strong. Boy. Boy. Boy is B. B. With the letter B. Very good. Oh, we have something so nice. Look, we have balloons. Balloons. Balloons are so good when we have birthdays, when we have celebrities. You're gonna float when until it becomes so big. Then you put it like this and maybe it flies to the sky. So it is balloon. Balloon. Good? Very good. We have this little thing. He's a baby. Baby. Do you have a baby at home? Baby cries so much. I need milk. I'm hungry. So he is a baby. Who? Baby. Very good. In the morning, you wake up like, oh, and the birds say, choo, 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 like this. These are bird. Bird, okay? Bird is flying. Bird. Repeat after me. Bird. Please sit down nicely. Listen to me. Don't talk with your mother. Don't be busy with your iPad. This is bird. What? Bird. Very good. You like it, right? When you have it in the snack. Banana. 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 You're gonna eat the banana and pull down the peels and it becomes, or peel it off, it becomes banana and it is so nice and yummy. Banana. The last thing we have it is book. Book. For example, with your Kurdish teacher. What's Teacher 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵? Teacher 𝗵𝗵𝗵 said, please pull out your Kurdish book inside your backpack. This is English book, but Teacher 𝗵𝗵𝗵 has Kurdish book, and the other teachers has their books. So this is book. Book. How do you know this is book? Look, the book is written. It is written by someone, and you're gonna read it like, it is nice. There is pictures. There is writings. So this is book. Okay? Very good. Today we talked about the letter B. As you know, it is B and the sound is B. And that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for listening. And I love you this much. I want to see you all again in the class. Have a nice day.